meghalayapost.news.
Kumba ke World Health Organization WHO keladap penbenau Paidbah bagi jingpang Khlam ke batmai ke belak tip kumka Monkeypox ke de jingpang ke bakiri ke pertai ke hab ban Khiah kerki ya ke balapan hab ru ha ke thup Public Health Emergency of International Concern PHEIC ha ke khasau tarik benai nailar arjar arpsau ke Tnad Health and Family Welfare jong ke jela Meghalaya kelapan mi ya ke hukum yada yang ke Paidbah nong lit nangwan bagi long ke Phah Husiar ban sumar bha ya ladi kat kum ke keruak ke belak pelat Paidbah la botha ya kino kibri na ke jela ki balet batwan na kino kiri ke pertai ki balak subah baladan kum ketiga jingpang monkeypox hakini ki arhwisngi baladam balada ki don ya kino ki dak jingstom kum ka bayong kli ke jingshot tlot bat ke jingdat boj hakamet bakin phone marmar show number iwei sau iwei not bat shispa pra kenang baki board jong Koit ke Khiah kenyo ban a jingerap bat sumar yaki hagapor ke babiang ketika kerwa kelapan tip ru kat hadu ke khat pratrik jong banai nailar arjar arpsau ketika jingpang monkeypox lalap hakiri ke doba Afrika ke South Africa, Kenya, Rwanda, Uganda, Democratic Republic of Congo, Burundi, Central African Republic, Congo, Brazzaville, Cameroon, Nigeria, Ivory Coast, Liberia, Batru Hakari, United Arab Emirates, Jongathan, Middle East.
Today, the emergency committee met and advised me that, in its view, the situation constitutes a public health emergency of international concern. I have accepted that advice. The detection and rapid spread of a new clade of Mpox in eastern DRC, its detection in neighboring countries that had not previously reported Mpox, and the potential for further spread within Africa and beyond is very worrying. In addition to other outbreaks of other clades of Mpox in other parts of Africa, it's clear that a coordinated international response is essential to stop these outbreaks and save lives.
meghalayapost.news